So on this brand new YouTube channel I started posting on recently, there was one day that hit almost 18,000 views, over 200 hours of watch time. And because of that, I decided to check how much money I made. And I couldn't find the revenue button here, so I decided to hit the earn button. And it was at this point I realized that I didn't meet the requirements yet for monetization. But if I'm getting this much views when I'm posting videos, then I need to be making money from this even if YouTube is not ready to pay. And so in this video, I'm exploring how I can start making money from now, from the very first few videos on this channel, way before I meet the requirements for YouTube ad revenue monetization. And so because I don't have a personal YouTube coach, I think that's when that 100 subscribers hits 1 million. I'll have to work with what I have. And what I have is still really good. It's ChatGPT. And so I went ahead and I asked ChatGPT a little while ago after I saw how well this last video performed. In just 2 days, this video hit 26,000 views. And it still is continuing to get a lot of views. But there's no revenue being made from this. And so I asked ChatGPT to provide me with the top 10 options for making money online with these videos. By these videos, I'm referencing this previous response, which is the script I generated for this video. And so these are the options that were presented. The top option was to either become an affiliate where I can build kits. And by building kits, this is all of the different things that is used inside of this video. This would be the tools, the accessories, paint, and things like that. So that option was sounding really simple, but I decided to explore some further options because I did ask it for the top 10 options. The second thing was the tools that I use to make these types of AI videos. And that one is really heavily dependent on who the viewer is. I think the people who are looking at those videos, I think the larger percentage of those viewers from those videos are interested in those types of projects. And a smaller percentage will be interested in making those types of time lapses themselves. So far, this first one is the main one I'll go with. Even though this next one will be really easy to set up because I'm thinking I can just link to one of the tutorials on my channel just to keep things simple. Anyway, moving on to the other options that we have here to work with. This next one, your own digital product. Yes, it'll have a high margin, but this will take a lot of upfront work because what they're suggesting here is to create an actual blueprint. Some of the suggestions here is 50 time-lapse prompt pack for different rooms. This one is not bad. And by just running a quick search, there are products that exist like this right now that is low priced. And this should be a simple decision to make, really. It's just the prompt packs. But the reason I don't want to go with something like this or these other suggestions, like a full course, sponsorship, licensing videos, is because I'm only like 3 videos in so far with these types of time-lapse videos. So I'm still testing out the traction. So what I need to find out is the quickest way to start making money from this, like now. So I asked ChatGPT to revise this based on YouTube Shorts and to get the fastest cash. And what it suggested is what I think I'll just go with. Pinned comment with a build kit. Based on my understanding, this is affiliate links. And so based on this, I'm going with this first option, the number 1 option, which should be the easiest to set up. And this is the pinned comment build kit. And in order to do this, based on what I've seen, this can be something simple like a Google Doc with all of the links to the different tools that I use on videos like this, as well as the different accessories, paint, and things like that. And the easiest thing to do is link this to Amazon products. So somebody can simply go over to this Google Doc or this build kit blueprint, look at the different sections, whether it's the window they're dealing with or the exterior. And then each of these specific products, there's an affiliate link. And when they click it, go to the link, add to cart, and buy now. When they take that action, I should get a commission of the sale. So how I'm going to set this up is really simple. The first thing is to simply search for the Amazon affiliate sign up. Once I hit sign up and filled out the form, it was pretty much an instant approval process whereby I can easily get the affiliate link to any of these products by searching for them. Once I've signed up for the Amazon associate, I can then click get link. And this link is what I'll copy and paste into this Google Doc. Now you might be asking, where did I get all of the information for this? And I didn't come up with that myself because I don't know anything about these shipping containers and these projects really. And you don't need to either because AI has all of these answers already. And that part was as simple as just telling ChatGPT to create the build kit. And I actually just asked it how to set it up as well. And while I had a fair idea about this, I'm sure they had a faster way of doing it. So in just a matter of seconds, it did the research and pulled up all of the products for a project like this. So I simply then just searched for each one of these after I signed up to the Amazon Associate Program. copying and pasting, searching for the different products, and pasting the links right here. And once I finished this, I made sure there was this disclosure at the ending. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This is an important thing to add on apparently. I saved this link, and over on my channel, I created a link on the homepage of that Google Doc, that build kit, and called it Build Kit Blueprint. And the second really important part is to have a call to action in the description of that video that was performing well right here. Because I can't put an actual clickable link here, I said build blueprint. The complete build kit is linked in the bio, as well as in the pinned comment. I made mention to direct viewers who wanted to build something like this in the channel links, the first link. So the plan is that a percentage of them will take that action, click there from the video, come up here and click on the Google Doc, and they're redirected here, and here are all of the affiliate links to the build kit. So now that is set up, the plan now is just to generate as much traffic as possible towards this build kit. And I'm going to do that by making more videos like these and hopefully get as much traffic like this one and direct all of them towards this. And that is exactly how I'm trying to make money with YouTube Shorts before monetization.